Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a really simple way how you can easily delete your Facebook account permanently. So let's start. So the first thing, you need to be in a Google Chrome. So don't use this application that you have in your phone, but you need to use Facebook, okay? On Google Chrome. When you're here, you want to go to right top corner, and then you can see all the pages and everything. You want to scroll down below, and then you're going to see under help and settings, there is a settings under the help and center. Click settings, and right now you want to scroll down below, and in privacy and in Facebook information, you're going to see account ownership and control. Manage your data, modify your legacy contact, deactivate or delete your account, and more. Click on it. And now you have like memorization settings, and then you have deactivation and deletion. So let's click on it. And then you're gonna see here, delete account. Confirm to account deletion. Deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your Facebook account, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information you shared on Facebook. Your messenger and all of your messages will be also deleted. Continue. And now, I spend much time on Facebook. Just choose a reason why you want to. Continue. And now you can download the information here. You can keep Messenger but deactivate account. Or if you are admin, you need to be like someone needs to be admin on the page. And if you're admin on the group also, you need to manage it. And then what you need to do is just press down below delete account. And this is how you can simply delete account on Facebook. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And also, if it helped you, I'm really happy if you support and subscribe and like. And also write down below in the comments that this video actually helped you. So when other people come, they can see that it's actually working. So thank you very much. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya. So again, when you are in a home, right top corner to menu, then scroll down below, go to settings, then under Facebook information, account ownership and control, deactivation and deletion, delete account, continue, reason, and now keep the messenger, download the information, edit page admin settings, etc. So yeah, goodbye.